Hi everybody, this is Marielle again from Land Direct USA, your source of quality and affordable land. Now we have here a 0.17 acre lot. This is at Boat Ramp Drive in Fritch, Texas, and this is at Hutchinson County. Now on the side here, we have some aerial views and there are some actual photos of the nearby area. So let's take a quick look. Now this is your 0.17 acre lot. And this is a nice paved road access. And as you can see, Canadian River is just close by. So one of the main attractions of Fridge is once again Canadian River and Lake Meredith, which is just located outside the city limits. Now the lake is a popular spot for fishing, boating, swimming, and also surrounded by several parks and hiking trails. So this is your lot. Here are the dimensions, and adjoining lots is available, so you can purchase two or more lots. Now, if we're gonna go back and scroll down a bit, you will see here property details, and the green one is the buyer's application form. Upon further scrolling down, you will see here our full screen view of the lot. Now, this is powered by our MapRight software. Just click in View Full Screen and you will be directed to an interactive map. Now, the map will show you dimensions and also borders. You can check the surrounding environment as well and what type of road access the property has. So again, this is your lot, situated in a nice neighborhood. Now, as you can see here, the primary transportation route in the area is US Route 136. Now, this runs along the city, which connects Fritch to other nearby cities such as Borger on the east. We have here Amarillo on the south, and also Pampa further east. And we have here Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Now, if you're interested with this lot, it's available at landdirectusa.com with cash discount price of only $5,500. We offer seller financing with no credit check required. You just need to fill up the buyer's application form, put in a down payment of only $200 to reserve the lot, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at 928 515 3510. Thank you.